Wavy Kid called me out. And I only got a couple of things to say. This ain't no challenge, bruh. Bro, this ain't no challenge. Ain't nothing challenging about this, bruh. I promise you this ain't no challenge. I really think he don't really know what a challenge is. After all the years of watching us, you would think you would know what an actual challenge is. This ain't no challenge. Kev over here stressing me out, man. This ain't no challenge, man. Like, I'm really going through it. And then he got his people online talking about, oh, Jeezy, do the challenge, as if it's a challenge, bro. Hey, yo, Jeezy, Kev messing with you? Nah, we good. Yeah, man, I don't like that. Bro, I don't got no problem running up, man. Nah, you ain't man, we gotta do something. Can't let dude just talk like that. Nah, you ain't gotta do nothing. I'm gonna run up on fool. Yeah, let's go. Oh, snap. Yeah. Hey, that Jeezy? Yeah. What's good? I seen your little video. Huh? What up now, Cam? What you mean? What's up now, Cam? This supposed to be a barber battle. Man, it ain't no barber battle no more. Nah, you told that. Hey, look, you got me last time, Cam. I ain't chasing you no more. I'm not paying you. You gonna give me my money. I'm not paying for no haircut. Give me my money. I ain't doing all that. I know how to get you. My response gonna take care of this. There you go. Bro, there you go. I got him straight. Bro, it ain't never been that deep though. Like, you ain't have to do all that. Listen, Wavy Kid Kev called all the big name barbers on YouTube out to a coarse hair challenge. I don't know why he called us all out like that. I don't understand it. Hello? What up, Chris? Nah, don't worry about it. Don't worry, nah, I got this. Chill, relax. All right, yeah. I'm doing it right now. Yeah, Word, I got you. So like I said, Wavy Kid Kev called out all the YouTube barbers, you know what I'm saying, thinking that we wasn't gonna do nothing, wasn't gonna step up. Hello? Beam, what's good? What's good? Nah, man, I just got off the phone with Chris Bossio. Nah, don't even worry about it. I got little bruh. Yeah, this is gonna be the last time he talk. Yeah. Now, the man trying to, you know what I'm saying? You know how clout chasing be. You know what I mean? Yeah. Nah, it's all good, Bean. One. All right, man, enough is enough. Wavy Kid Kev wanted a challenge? Let me explain to y'all. This ain't no challenge, man. But for those that didn't see it, this is what he had to say.
I need y'all to go spam these other YouTube barbers, these other YouTube creators, and tell them Wavy Kid Kev wants all the smoke. Alright, YouTube, so listen. I'm calling everybody up. I want the smoke. Coarse hair. Jeezy saying YouTube barbers ain't doing it.
Kev said I was struggling. My views is falling off.
Let's just be honest. Jeezy's barely doing it. He's struggling right now. The views ain't what they used to be.
I get what he's saying. But where your views at, Kev?
Really?
I get you kinda just started, but I paved the way for you, Kev. I gave you the platform to make it easier. How come your views ain't where it's supposed to be? If it was me, I would have been there by now. Give Kev the alley-oop. The man ain't gonna do nothing with it. Too busy calling out YouTube barbers when you need to focus on yourself. Coarse hair, crispy lineups, I wanna see it all.
Coarse hair, crispy lineups, blends, I wanna see it all.
I wanna see it all. Hey, we wanna see some straight hair. How about that?
Catch me outside, how about that?
See, it's easy for you to say, hey, do coarse hair because you only do coarse hair. You know what I mean? It's easy to say that. That's why it's not a challenge. That's why nobody's really stepping up. That's why you just got new YouTube barbers doing the challenge. You ain't got nobody really like me. You know what I'm saying? I'm the only one really showing you love. I'm just saying. Y'all probably saying, Jeezy, we get it. Just do the challenge. What y'all don't get is I've been doing this challenge my whole YouTube career. Realistically, you could just go back on all my videos and just look at my challenge. I mean, really, look at all YouTube barbers. They all have basically done this challenge. So without further ado, boom, let's hit him with this one.
HustleDreamProduction.
Hit him with this one.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction. Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
This one. Still going? Okay. He's probably gonna say, those are Instagram reels, Jeezy. All you doing is showing Instagram reels. And it's Instagram. Let's show him some YouTube stuff. Let's go.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Hello, this is not a challenge. How may I help you? Yeah, no challenge over here. No challenge. No challenge, no challenge. Okay, bye-bye. But now, I think it's safe to say we pretty much paved the way for everything and how everything is going right now, all right? First of all, you got Beam with the enhancement, paved the way for enhancement. You got Chris Basio with the knowledge and the wisdom of how to grow yourself as a barber, on top of being a dope barber in its own right, doing fades that's clean, coarse hair, straight hair, it really doesn't matter, on top of Fonz. Now, I don't like what you said about Fonz. Now that's where we draw the line. That's where we draw the line. You got Fonz out here changing the way barbers make videos. Put some more respect on that man's name. Fonz is the reason why you vlogging right now, Kev. Fonz is the reason why things are going this way in vlogging, period, bro. You talk about a man being creative. You talk about a man, oh, he fell off. Oh, he's not doing it anymore. The man's legacy is still in the game right now. Put some more respect on that man's name. Put some more respect on that man's name. Cause right now, you not looking too good, sir. You not looking too good. Cause the only thing you doing is being a robot, copying and pasting every step we take. Copying and pasting, copy and pasting. And that's cool. Get your copy and paste on. But one thing's for sure, two things for certain. You talking about the originators in this game. Show some more respect. That's how you gotta treat these young cats these days. You gotta walk off on them, you know what I'm saying? You can't let these young cats get the last word. I honestly don't even care what Kev has to say after this, okay? This is not a challenge, bro. Kev, you see this one? Yeah. This one mean more to me than this one. That's why I put this one above it. You get what I'm saying? This one really means, this is sentimental behind this one right here. But you know what I'm saying? This one right here, in the grand scheme of things, you know what I'm saying, as far as being better, it should be up top. But the thing is, you ain't even got this one though, bro. You doing all that talking, but you ain't even reached here yet, okay? Now, I ain't doubting that you'll get here, but right now, you ain't even half of this right now, at this second, this moment in time when I uploaded this video, you was not even half of this, bro. Not yet, okay? You getting there, but you not half of it yet. So I'm gonna end this video like this, all right? Kev, you gotta get your name in lights first, Kev. You gotta get your name up there first before you can even think about any of these people, you know what I'm saying, trying to do your challenge. You know what I mean? I rock with you, Kev, so I'm gonna do your challenge. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that got a challenge out there, I'm gonna step up because, you know what I mean? I'm one of them ones. I don't care, I make content. I do it for the content. I do it for teaching. But Kev, you gotta get your name in lights first, bro. You can't just be a small fry, you know what I'm saying? A little guy trying to be messing with the people that's in lights right now. Cause we up here, Kev. We up here. Our name is in lights, written in stone. It's in the YouTube handbook, all right? You still trying to get there. And when I say shots fired, I mean shots fired.